and welcome to the Force Technologies Tech Talk podcast number 10. And firstly, Happy New Year to all our listeners and viewers and all our customers and partners in the industry. I'm very excited today to be introducing a new member of Force staff. This is Eder.
Hello.
Welcome, Eder. Eder's been with us about 3 months now, and he is our new quality engineer. Force is in the process of expanding quite rapidly, and we felt it was time that we had a dedicated quality engineer. So Eder's just going to introduce himself, because you will see him on further podcasts, and then we're going to talk about his favourite subject, which is lean manufacturing. So Eder, tell us a bit about yourself.
Hello, good morning. My name is Eder. I am the new quality engineer. I'm really excited about the opportunity to work with Force Technologies. It is been amazing over the last 3 months. It completely changed my life, my routine, everything is different. And I'm really enjoying the company of my new colleagues, the different type of business we're doing as well. I think it's quite exciting. I never worked on this type of fabless manufacturing type of company, so it's all new for me, which initially sounded like would be a lot easier because I would never had to step on the shop floor. But then I found new challenges, and I'm quite excited with the new challenges and things we can do for improving, to change, and for making Force Technologies even more efficient than it was.
Yeah, brilliant. Okay. Well, one of the very first things you said to me is that your quote was, "I'm not calling your baby ugly."
Yeah.
And that kind of stuck with me. And I realized that although we're not ugly, there are things that we need to improve on.
Yes.
And everybody should be working on continuous improvement.
Yeah.
We were doing it in some little ways, but now with your help, we're doing it in some big ways. And I'm really excited about it. So let's talk about a couple of things that we're doing in-house. You're very keen on this lean manufacturing situation.
Yeah.
So explain to me very quickly what lean manufacturing is.
Okay. Lean manufacturing is, for me, it's a lifestyle. I think I'm converted to it. Wherever I go, I do preach about this. I'm not an expert. I did embrace the principles of it, which is initially avoiding waste. I think is the most important thing. But lean is about people as well. And it's where I found very exciting working at Force Technologies, because we do here have an amazing team, and they are very keen on accepting the new, which I thought I was quite scared initially, because I was calling your baby ugly. I was saying that
and I could have told you to get lost. Yeah.
But then your leadership helped a lot. And we're doing things already, such as cleaning desks, silly things, but these things, they are very important to make us more efficient. So when you look for something, you don't get distracted with silly things on your desk, on your desktop.
It was actually really satisfying when I did that. It was actually amazing, the amount of rubbish I had.
Yeah.
I actually found some really interesting, old stuff, some pictures, which I've now used in some of our marketing.
Yeah.
But there was a lot of stuff, as you said, if you haven't used it for 3 months, throw it out.
Get rid of it.
And just to be able to see what I'm doing now, and you've set up some systems on the computer or a work in progress, so we can actually see where we are, and it just saves so much time. And as I say, I came in this morning, somebody had put some paperwork on my desk. I was horrified.
Yes. It is 5 S's. Everything should have a place.
Yeah.
And you've done these on your desk, and you've done these on your desktop as well, on your computer, so you know where your icons are. You don't need to be looking around, because you go straight away on that box, and everything that's in that box, it should belong to that box. And if it's not there, you will realize. That was I think a nice challenge I had, because I was using lean tools, and there are so many, and I'm not an expert, I insist, but these lean tools I was using were more in the shop floor.
Yeah.
And it was quite scary for me to get a place there. We do not have a lot of shop floor. We
Mm.
do not manufacture things in here. Then I did try to learn or apply these tools in the office
Yeah.
to make us more efficient, and it will take a while.
Mm.
But I'm
Again,
already seeing a lot of
I
differences.
particularly like the thing you've set up about the work in progress. So every single customer order,
Yeah,
we can now see exactly where it is on
yeah,
in the progress. I mean, we have Sage system manufacturing, which is a good system
mm,
and does our bombs, bills, of materials, and etc. etc. For packages and dye and
yeah,
everything. But to actually see it at a glance,
yeah,
where exactly we are in the process and the bottlenecks. I mean, one of the big things you said in manufacturing is bottlenecks. Whether
yes,
you're
yeah,
factoryless or fabless, sorry, or not, there's still bottlenecks
yeah,
in production, and we can see that clearly now and sort them out now,
yeah.
so that we're not late with deliveries and
Yeah.
we're accurate with our predictions and our delivery times, which is great.
And we are just starting. There's a lot of work to be done, and I'm very excited about that. And I'm sure every time we come back here and talk about this, we will
Mm,
bring more improvements that we've done.
mm,
And I'm excited about how our team is taking on board as well, because I see other people other than you, and if it wasn't for your support, nothing would happen, because in the end of the day, it's all about
mm.
people. But to convince people, or we need leadership to inspire them. I
Well, we have to
cannot.
lead by
Yeah.
example as well,
Yes.
don't we?
Yes. Of course.
So, what's your plan for your continuous improvement for the next sort of 2-3 months to the next podcast? What we're going to be concentrating on?
Okay. As I'm just joining the company, I think I need, and as a quality engineer, although it's very clear my passion is continuous improvement, I became a quality engineer to do continuous improvement. So I think I need to concentrate on the quality side. I need to concentrate on our QMS. Maybe improve the efficiency of how we perform or change our documentations quickly,
Mm,
signatures, forms, data sheets, and everything
yep.
we do to be more efficient. I have plans, maybe we bringing or migrating our QMS to a new EQMS,
Yep.
where we will have access to this online, and all the signatures will be just a matter of click, because it's going to
Mm,
be a unique signature for
yep.
each individual. So I'm sure that will improve a lot, instead of we waiting for hours to somebody to sign and stamp on a job card.
Yep.
It could be done straight away in a matter of a click on your computer.
And it also means that if we're doing things like lot travelers, they can go straight to the customer
Yes, yes.
with a press of one
Yeah.
button.
Test sheets from us to the suppliers, things
Yeah.
like that, they would be a lot quicker, a lot faster.
Yeah. And that's a new software we're going to be
Yes,
putting in,
yeah,
isn't
yeah,
it?
yeah. I'm not sure if we are allowed to mention the software company yet, but yeah,
Maybe not just yet.
yeah, would be surprised. But yes, I'm quite excited. I did have a bit of interaction with them before, and I've done work with different platforms that they are just amazing.
Yeah.
Approvals and everything can be a lot faster.
Certainly, the demonstration you
Yeah.
gave me last week was quite impressive.
Yeah.
But obviously, within our quality audits, we've had, I think it's 8 years now with no non-conformances at all. So that's a big ask for you now.
Yes, and it is quite scary, especially because as an auditor, as an internal auditor, I know that the non-conformances, sometimes they are not as they cannot be considered bad thing. When I call your baby ugly because I work for you, my intention is to improve
Yeah.
your company. Is
Yeah.
not to the point fingers to my colleagues or to you. When I call your baby ugly, is actually to say there are a few points that we could improve.
Yeah.
So maybe, hopefully, that's not going to happen. I will
Yeah.
do my best. We will do as much as we can as a team to improve our QMS, but maybe there will be points that BSI will find.
Yeah.
But that's not a bad thing. It's
That's
just
not
for
a bad
improving
thing.
us.
No. And I'm looking forward to sharing some of our improvements with some of our
Yeah.
customers in the next few months. So watch this space. You will see quite a bit of it on our social media, and Eder will be continuing his journey on continuous improvement and making Force a much better company. So we'll look forward to the next time. Thank you. Thanks, Eder.
Thank you.